What's up guys, it's Garvin's Garage here, and today we're unboxing this tuner that we got for Christmas. It's a Superchips Flashpaq F5 and we're installing a 2003 Dodge Ram 2500 with a Cummins diesel. So here's the outer cover, and then just open this. So here's just a emissions warning, and then here's a manual, and then here's a cord for, I'm pretty sure, powering it or updating it from your computer. Yeah, most likely updating it. No, we don't need that now. And then here's the Superchips tuner. Right there. You can view gauges, and then also it's also a tuner. And we'll go install it. To update the tuner before you install it on your truck, you want to go to superchips.com, then go to updates. Then scroll down a little bit and click on download ignition for PC. Then click the Run button on the pop-up menu. Yes. And then you just gotta wait until it's done setting up. Install. And now it's installed. Now that you have the ignition downloaded onto your computer, just X out of the Superchips tab and click onto the ignition updater. And then now what you want to do is connect your Superchip. And then your Superchip should turn on, and then the ignition updater should notice that you plugged it in. And it's going to take a little while to figure out what's going on, and then now you have to make an account. Once you finish making your account, it'll instantly start downloading and installing new files. Once it's done downloading, you can either purchase some updates or you can unplug your device. Once you're done with the downloads, you can go and plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 sensor and then press OK, and then it'll ask you to turn on the ignition. And then you can tune vehicle. And then you can select your tune, which we're doing mileage to get maximum fuel mileage. And it's designed for fuel economy, and towing is allowed with loads up to what is recommended by the vehicle's manufacturer. And we're okay with leaving it the way it is right now, so we're not going to customize anything. So then you hit the left arrow, and now it's building tune. And then press OK to install the mileage XS file. And then you gotta turn off the ignition. And now turn on the ignition. And now it's programming it. So just wait for the program to be done, and then we'll go into the next step. Now once you are done downloading the tune that you selected, you can turn off the ignition, and then once you're done, select OK. And now it's saying turn the ignition on, and then press OK. And now the file is installed, and then press OK to continue, and now you're done. That's it for tuning your Cummins. See you next time.